you are less accurate about the past than you think. When a project fails, a relationship ends, or an investment drops, right after, you say, "Oh, the signs were obvious." You replay conversation, you point to small red flags, and the outcome now feels predictable. But before it happened, you hesitated. You weighed options, and you were unsure. So what changed? The result changed your memory. Once you know the outcome, your brain recognizes story. Doubt fades and alternatives disappear. The path looks straight instead of messy. Now it feels like you knew all along. This illusion feels harmless, but it blocks learning. If you believe you predicted it, you will not study how you decided. To catch this, write down your expectations before outcomes appear. Later on, compare what you wrote with what you remember. The gap will show you how memory edits the past.